My husband figured it out, y'all. So we still trying to figure it out. We still learning with it, but my husband really got it moving.
It is sewing though.
This is the
first little sew. Okay, so you want to sew.
And it's battery operated, guys. It's like the wheel is spinning by itself. You can see the wheel is spinning by itself. My husband got it on.
And if you want to go at a slower speed, just push that button right there, baby.
Oh, push it for me. I'm trying to.
That speeds it up.
Oh,
that's fast.
So it was going slow. Oh, okay. Well.
And then you put it back on slow.
Okay.
And you can pull your needle up. And you get ready to stop. Now, if you want to stop it, you just turn it off right there.
Okay, turn it off for me, boo. I think we got it. All right. That was the product review. So,
so I
my little sewing, you gonna get a thumbs up. This is it. This is the product right here, guys.
Machine.
I got blue.
Yeah.
What did that do?
You gonna sew something?